Imagine waking up to a warm, fluffy omelette. It's a simple, tasty way to start your day. Omelettes are versatile and quick to make. Today, we will walk through an easy omelette recipe that's perfect for any home cook. To make the perfect omelette, we need a few basic ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 eggs, salt, and pepper. For a classic touch, gather cheese, diced vegetables, and herbs. You can customize it with your favorite ingredients. Now, let's prepare our omelette step by step. First, crack the eggs into a bowl. Then, whisk them gently until the yolks and whites blend. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to taste. This enhances the flavor. Next, heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add a small amount of butter or oil to the pan. Wait until it's sizzling but not burning. This is crucial for a perfect omelette. Pour the egg mixture into the hot skillet. Tilt the pan to spread it evenly. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Keep an eye on it as the edges start to lift. When the omelette is still slightly runny on top, it's time for toppings. Sprinkle cheese, diced vegetables, or herbs on one half. Then, gently fold the other half over the toppings. This creates a beautiful pocket of flavor. Cook for another minute until the cheese melts. Slide the omelette onto a plate. It's ready to serve, but let's explore some variations. Feeling adventurous? Try adding cooked bacon or smoked salmon for a twist. Want it spicy? Add some jalapenos or a dash of hot sauce. Now, let's recap the key steps to making the perfect omelette. Whisk the eggs with seasoning, heat the pan, and pour in the mixture. Add toppings, fold, and cook until done. Imagine the aroma of sizzling eggs wafting through your kitchen as you prepare this delightful meal. As the skillet heats, visualize how the sunny yolks will transform into a fluffy, golden masterpiece. With each ingredient you add, you're not just cooking, you're creating a dish that tells your unique culinary story. Now, picture the satisfaction as you expertly crack the eggs, the shells giving way to the vibrant yolks and whites. As you whisk them together, feel the anticipation build. This simple act is the foundation of your morning routine. The addition of salt and pepper elevates the flavor, making each bite a joyous explosion of taste. Once the vibrant egg mixture is blended to perfection, the next crucial step awaits. Carefully place your non-stick skillet on medium heat, watching as it warms up just right. The anticipation fills the air as you prepare to add a small dollop of butter or a drizzle of olive oil, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. As it starts to sizzle softly, you know it's time to pour in the egg mixture gently, letting it cascade across the surface. This moment is pivotal. Tilting the pan slightly allows the eggs to spread evenly, ensuring that every inch transforms into the fluffy omelette you envision. Continuing the cooking process, observe as the edges of your omelette begin to lift, revealing the delicate, tender texture beneath. The golden surface beckons, still slightly runny at the center, signaling that it's time for the grand reveal. With a sprinkle of your chosen toppings, whether the gooey goodness of cheese or the vibrant colors of fresh vegetables, create a beautiful showcase of flavors. Gently folding the omelette over is not just a technique, it's an art form that encapsulates the delightful ingredients within. As you press down lightly, watch as the cheese begins to melt, perfectly melding into the warm, inviting mix beneath. The excitement builds as you count down the seconds, eagerly awaiting the moment you can slide this culinary creation onto a plate. This is the moment where patience and creativity truly pay off, showcasing the beauty of your morning endeavor. It's more than just food, it's a warm invitation to enjoy, share, and savor every bite. Embrace this accomplishment as you prepare to take your first fogful of happiness. As the cheese oozes and melts within the fold, lift the omelette slightly with a spatula to check your masterpiece. The enticing aroma fills the room, gathering everyone's attention, eager to share in this delicious creation. Place the golden omelette carefully onto a plate, its tantalizing appearance promising a delightful breakfast. Add a sprig of fresh herb on top for that extra flourish, sealing this culinary moment with pride and satisfaction. Now, picture yourself taking that first bite, the warm, fluffy texture enveloping your taste buds in pure bliss. Each mouthful is a harmonious blend of flavors, a delicious celebration of your cooking skills that invites you to relish the simple joy of a homemade omelette. As you reflect on this delightful cooking journey, remember that the beauty of an omelette lies in its simplicity and versatility. With just a few ingredients, you can create a dish that not only nourishes but also brings joy to your morning routine. Explore new flavors and savor each bite. Omelettes are perfect for breakfast, but can be enjoyed anytime. I encourage you to try this recipe at home. Share your experiences and variations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious cooking tutorials. Enjoy your cooking journey and have a wonderful omelette breakfast.